Okay students, this is our fifth experiment regarding estimation of zinc by complexometry or EDTA, by using EDTA. Here EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. This is the structure of ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Okay. So this is insoluble in water. Okay. So either it is in pure form, it is insoluble in water, but this is the disodium based acetic acid. Disodium based, whereas the sodium ions can dissolve in water. Okay. Actually, pure EDTA cannot dissolve in water. So disodium based ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid dissolve in water. So in this experiment, we will take this one as a complex. Okay, as an EDTA is one of the complex. Okay. So this is first of all, our metal can bind with one of the indicator, eriochrome black tea. Okay, under the pH condition which is 10, which is we will use a basic condition. We will use ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide mixture. So to form a unstable, a pink color or a wine-red color complex, which is a metal with eriochrome black tea. Then after metal with eriochrome black tea, which is unstable, no? Then we need to titrate with against ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, disodium based. Then it will form a stable color, which is a blue color, light blue color. So this is a stable color which can form our complex. Okay, whatever the metal is, either zinc, calcium, something like that. So those metals can easily form a bind with a stable complex with the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Okay. So here in our experiment, so here we have, this is the one of the calcium carbonate. We will take as a calcium carbonate. Okay. So as an estimation of EDTA, we will take calcium carbonate. Then after this is a buffer solution, which is combination of ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. This is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic, which is disodium based EDTA, and this is zinc. Okay, where we are going to observe. From this zinc, we will give you a unknown volume into the standard flask. Okay, so then you people need to make up until this mark. Okay, already I have prepared. Already you people know very well how to do this experiment to make up to the mark in standard flask. This is EBT, eriochrome black tea. This is the indicator. Okay, we need to use distilled water to make up this zinc solution. So this is squeezing water bottle. So you must use buffer solution to pour into this conical flask. You must use measuring cylinder. Do not use pipette. Okay, do not use pipette. For zinc only, you need to pipette out with the pipette. Okay, 20 ml. So in this conical flask, I have taken 20 ml of calcium carbonate solution, 5 ml of ammonical buffer solution, and 2 to 3 drops of eriochrome black tea I have added. Okay. So in burette, I am going to titrate against with the EDTA. Okay. In our first step is estimation of EDTA. Sorry, standardization of EDTA. So for the standardization of EDTA, we need to take calcium carbonate solution. This is already prepared by our lab assistant. 20 ml, 5 ml ammonical buffer, and 2 to 3 drops of EDTA. Then I will titrate against with the EDTA. Okay. You will get a light blue color. Okay. So you need to observe what is the color change. Fast fast
only
I am observing the color change is turned wine red to slowly it is turning into light blue color. See, you can see before it is a color of wine red, now it is completely a greenish black color. So if I can add another 3 to 4 drops, You can see a light blue or one type of green color. So you can see this is the color. So this is our end point. Okay. So this is our end point. It's almost 7 mm. 7 mm is our end point. This is the from standardization of EDTA that you need to take from the burette value as an 7. Okay. This is also one of the volumetric titration. Okay. So this is the standardization of EDTA. So 7 ml of EDTA is required to make a standard complex with one of the metal which is a metal present in calcium carbonate. In calcium carbonate calcium is one of the metal which can first of all form a bond with the radiochrome black tea with the unstable complex that is indicates the color wine red color, whereas from the EDTA you can form a permanent bond, stable bond with one of the metal calcium. Okay, this is the standardization of EDTA. Okay, the volume is required is 7 ml. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, this is the second step, estimation of zinc by EDTA. Okay, so this is in this solution already I have prepared in the standard class unknown volume of this zinc solution that I have prepared a standard class until this point. From this that I have taken 20 ml by using a pipette, 20 ml pipette. Then I have added into the clinical class. Then I have added 5 ml of the buffer solution, okay, which is a ammonical buffer solution. Then 2 to 3 drops of iriochrome black tea indicator that I have added. So you can see just it is also looks like a wine red color. Okay, a wine red color just like previously that I have added to the calcium carbonate solution. Okay, so now I am going to titrate against with the EDTA. Okay, let's see what is the result. It's taking time to form a bond with zinc with EDTA. Now it's okay. Now you can see the color is changed within 1 to 2 drops. Now it is a permanent color. So you can see here the wine red color is converted into just a light blue color, which is very near to the green and blue color combination. So this is our end point. Okay. So with this one that we need to calculate the calculation part. Already I have told you, it's almost 10 ml is required to form a bond with zinc with the EDTA. Okay, so for the first standardization of EDTA, it is a 7 ml. For the estimation of zinc, it is almost 10 ml is required of EDTA to form a stable bond with the zinc. Okay, so by taking this is as an end point. But as I have done only one time, but you people need to do the twice or thrice to get a 2 concordant values. Okay, in the tabular form, to get a 2 concordant values, then you need to do twice. Okay, with this one, I will explain to you. Already I have explained the calculation. Okay, in your virtual laboratory session. So please go through the experiment. So this is the way how to do the experiment. And what are the chemicals that we need to take. Okay, so here iriochrome black tea form a unstable complex in the form of an indicator wine red color, but EDTA form a stable complex in the color of a blue color, so which is a stable complex. Okay. That's it, friends. This is the estimation of zinc by EDTA. Okay.